Hello viewers, welcome to our in-depth guide on the UK Visa Update 2024. This year brings a host of changes to the UK visa system, affecting work, study, and travel visas. With net migration reaching record highs, the UK government has implemented significant policy shifts. Whether you are a skilled worker, health and care worker, dependent or a student, then this video will provide you with the essential information needed. Hence, make sure you watch till the end of the video, so you do not miss out on this very vital information. For those new to the family, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, let's get into it. 1.0. Standard Visitor Visa Changes. Starting January 2024, the Standard Visitor Visa has expanded to allow specific business activities. Travelers can now attend interviews, meetings, seminars, conferences, negotiate deals, sign contracts, and promote their business. This change is part of a broader strategy to streamline business-related travel to the UK, making it a more attractive destination for international business professionals. 2.0. Skilled Worker Visa and Salary Thresholds. The Skilled Worker Visa is a key route for non-UK residents seeking employment in the UK. In 2024, a significant change to this visa category is the increase in the minimum salary threshold. 2.1. Overview of the Skilled Worker Visa. The Skilled Worker Visa allows individuals from outside the UK to come to, or stay in the UK to do an eligible job with an approved employer. This visa has replaced the old Tier 2, General, Work Visa. 2.2. Increase in salary threshold. Effective from April 2024, the minimum salary requirement for the Skilled Worker Visa will rise to £38,700. This is a substantial increase from the previous threshold of £26,200. The new salary requirement applies to both new applicants and those applying to extend their current skilled worker visas. 2.3. Implications for employees. For potential applicants, this change means that they must secure a job offer with a salary that meets or exceeds the new threshold to qualify for the visa. This could limit the pool of eligible jobs and make it more challenging for individuals, particularly those in lower paid sectors or at the start of their careers, to qualify for the visa. 2.4. Implications for employers. For employers, the increased salary threshold could make it more expensive to hire non-UK residents. This could particularly impact sectors such as healthcare and education, where salaries often fall below the new threshold. Employers may need to increase salaries to attract international talent, which could have financial implications for the business. The increase in the salary threshold for the Skilled Worker Visa represents a significant change in UK immigration policy. Both potential applicants and employers should be aware of this change and plan accordingly. 3.0. Expanded Partner Visa Income Requirements. The Partner Visa, also known as the Spouse Visa, is a critical pathway for individuals who wish to live in the UK with their partner who is a British citizen, settled person, or refugee. In 2024, the UK government has planned significant changes to the minimum income requirement for this visa category. 3.1. Overview of the Partner Visa. The Partner Visa allows non-UK residents to live in the UK if they are in a relationship with a person who is settled in the UK. This means they are a British citizen, or they have indefinite leave to remain. The visa is valid for 33 months, if applied from outside the UK, and 30 months if applied from within the UK, and can be extended. 3.2. Increase in income requirement. Starting in spring 2024, the minimum income requirement for a partner visa will see a two-phase increase. The first increase will raise the threshold to £29,000. This is a significant rise from the current level of £18,600. The plan is for this figure to eventually rise to around £38,700 by 2025. The exact dates for these subsequent incremental increases beyond £29,000 have not been announced yet. 3.3. Implications for applicants. For potential applicants, this change means that they or their UK partner must earn an income that meets or exceeds the new threshold to qualify for the visa. This could make it more challenging for individuals, particularly those in lower income brackets, to qualify for the visa. Those already in the UK on a different route who apply to switch into the 5-year partner route, after the minimum income requirement has been increased, will be subject to the new income requirement. 3.4. Implications for sponsors. For sponsors, the increased income requirement could make it more difficult to bring their partners to the UK. They may need to increase their income to meet the new threshold, which could be challenging, particularly for those in lower paid sectors. It's worth noting that nearly 70% of British employees working in the UK earned less than the new income threshold in 2024. The increase in the income requirement for the partner visa represents a significant change in UK immigration policy. Both potential applicants and sponsors should be aware of this change and plan accordingly. 4.0. Expanded student visa restrictions. The UK government has introduced significant changes to the student visa rules, which will impact international students and their families. Starting from January 1, 2024, most international students will no longer be able to bring dependents to the UK, except those pursuing postgraduate research programs. 4.1. Overview of the student visa. The UK student visa allows international students to study in the UK. However, from January 2024, the government has restricted the right of most international students to bring dependents, such as spouses and children, with them. 4.2. New restrictions on dependents. The new rules apply to courses that start on or after January 1, 2024. The only exceptions are for students who are government-sponsored, and starting a course that lasts longer than 6 months, or students studying full-time on a postgraduate level course, such as a PhD or other doctorate, RQF Level 8, or a research-based higher degree. 4.3. Implications for international students. The new rules could have significant implications for international students. The inability to bring dependents may deter some students from choosing to study in the UK. However, students who are already in the UK with valid leave as dependents of a student visa holder can apply to extend their dependent visa, provided the main student visa holder began their course of study before January 1, 2024, and their visa remains valid. 4.4. Impact on families. The new rules could have a significant impact on the families of international students. For instance, families planning to move to the UK, while a family member pursues a course of study, may need to reconsider their plans. However, when a student visa holder switches to the graduate route, their family members can apply to stay in the UK as dependents, provided they have been living with the main student visa holder. 5.0. Health and care worker visa restrictions. The UK government has announced changes to the health and care worker visa, which will affect healthcare professionals and their families. Starting from early 2024, health and care worker visa holders will no longer be permitted to bring family members with them to the UK under the dependent visa route. 5.1. Overview of the health and care worker visa. The health and care worker visa is designed for medical professionals and individuals in eligible roles to work in the UK. However, the new rules will prevent these visa holders from bringing family members to the UK as dependents. 5.2. New restrictions on dependents. The new rules are expected to take effect as soon as possible in the new year. The changes will apply to all new arrivals, meaning that healthcare workers who are already in the UK and have brought their family members under the dependent visa route will not be affected by this change. 5.3. Implications for healthcare professionals. The new rules could have significant implications for healthcare professionals. The inability to bring dependents may deter some healthcare workers from choosing to work in the UK. However, healthcare workers who are already in the UK, with valid leave as dependents of a health and care worker visa holder, can apply to extend their dependent visa, provided the main visa holder's visa remains valid. 5.4. Impact on families. The new rules could have a significant impact on the families of healthcare professionals. For instance, families planning to move to the UK with a healthcare worker will need to reconsider their plans. This could potentially lead to families being separated, which could have emotional and financial implications. Immigration Health Surcharge increase. The Immigration Health Surcharge, IHS, is set to increase significantly. For adults, the IHS will rise from £624 to £1,035 per year, and for children, students, and their dependents, from £470 to £776 per year. This increase will affect all visa categories, adding a considerable financial burden to applicants. The UK visa updates for 2024 are extensive, and will have a profound impact on individuals and families planning to come to the UK. It's essential for potential applicants to stay informed about these changes, and plan accordingly. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, always refer to the official UK government websites or consult with immigration professionals. Not so fast though. Did you like the video? Do you have friends and family that need to know about these details to make their move to the UK a success? Then make sure you share, and share. Many of you only watch my videos, but haven't subscribed. Why not? Please subscribe today, and turn on the notification button so that you be the first to be notified when I drop more of this content. For those that want to support the channel, my PayPal link is in the description of the video. Otherwise, have a good start to the year. Shalom.